OTT Rising Star. And that goes to Priyambada Kant.
Can you tell us a little bit about your entertainment, part of being an entertainment industry, so to say, and how it has kind of shaped you?
It's been a long and beautiful ride. First of all, I'm really happy to be here
Thank you
at
so
the
much.
Women
Thank you for being
Disruptors
with us.
Awards. I'm glad that we're doing so much for women, and it's been about 15 years since I've been in the television industry. I've played almost 40, 50 different kinds of crazy, wonderful women, and it's shaped me as a person a lot. Recently, this is my OTT debut. I've done 3 different OTT characters here. And I think every woman has their own story and own struggles and so much to say and so much to do. And in all the characters that I've played so far, I've had something of myself that I've given to the characters, and the characters have taken something of me, and it's really helped me shape a lot as who I am today.
Any character which is closer to your heart?
So currently I'm doing a show called Tenali Rama, which is a period drama.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah.
I don't know if any of you watched it.
Will not know, but we come from the Ella.
Yeah, exactly.
What they now know.
So that character actually has a lot of me in it. It's full of life, it's bubbly, it's energetic, and I think Priyambada has a lot of Sharda, which is my character in Tenali Rama. So that, and then recently I did a show called Bada Naam Karenge, which is Suraj Barjatia sir's OTT debut, and also my OTT debut. So I think Pakhi is extremely resilient, and the character is very, very relatable for today's woman. So yeah, I've played a bunch of really exciting women characters, and I'm really blessed to be here.
Anything interesting that you have in mind that you've not played and you think others have, and you would want to do that kind of a character?
Yeah, there always, women characters. Now I feel like we're playing a lot of, portraying a lot of different kinds of women in television and in the OTT space. Because so far हम लोग काफी घरेलू औरतों की कहानियाँ ही देखते आए हैं. So there's a lot of scope, and there are women who are doing such unimaginable things, and I'd love to do a biopic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
that
nice.
would be great.
Any word of advice for all the women here and for us?
Definitely, for everybody, I'd like to say you should, if you have your goal set, if you really know what you want to do, nobody can stop you. And you should not let anyone stop you. And go ahead, achieve your dreams, because, not the right space to say it, but I ran away from college and decided to be an actor. And it worked out for me. So, if you really have faith in something, just go ahead and it'll happen. It'll work out.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Congratulations.
you.
Thank you
so
for
much.
being with us.
Thank you a lot. Thank you so
you.
much for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.